Hey guys, hello and welcome to a new video. This time again a Microsoft Excel Collegiate challenge video, a live solve of the junior varsity level of the April weekend battle. I did the vault case yesterday. It went alright. I had like a little problem there, but yeah, therefore I refer to my other video. So, without further ado, let's download the case and jump right into it. Timer, do I need a timer? No. Okay. I want to allow pop-ups. Yes, here we go. Oh, my connection is super bad. But should be alright. It's more important for the varsity level. Will it open? Yeah, here we go. Okay. It's basically the same as with the adult version. Oh, it's more complicated. Okay. Let's look up for the order ID in here. Returning the time, and yes, should be alright. Yes, we can track it down. How many characters are in the order ticket? So the blasters also count as characters? I think so, otherwise we wouldn't have here 23. So, okay. Okay, I will do here at least for this, a table. Call T equals len x lookup this in T order hashtag returning T order ticket, I think. Oh, there are hints. Yes, we will check them in an instance. Should be alright. 24, 26. Yes. Yeah, PM, huh? Those American units. Okay. How many items are represented? Oh, unique items. Oh no, not unique items. So basically it's this divided by 3 and rounded up. Because we have here this these slashes, and therefore rounding up is doing justice there. Here it's in between, should be alright. How many orders contains the given item code listed on the given date? Okay. Okay, what's are all the item codes? HP, AD. Okay, we can probably destroy this. Okay. OTP. Because I will add here at the end and at the beginning also this slash, and then use this. Then I can do a search for slash, the code slash, and will not, because probably you have a problem if you have HD and DH directly at each other. You can misinterpret it. Can you? Well, I don't think you can. You can. No, you can. I was alright. Order ticket, no OTP. If order date is given here, yes, there are a lot of orders. Let's use let functions, let d, and then filter d if is number search find slash and item code and slash inside d plus bill, and now use rows 90. Ooh, that's too much. Okay, there's something odd. There are like 287 orders for this given date. 15.6 June 15 287, which is alright. So that's fine. Also for the 1st of June there are a lot of orders. 294. So these are all the item codes for the given date. OTP is my item code. And now I want to search in D, which is more often true than false. Oh, I can also do here some minus minus instead of row, which is 90. Which is right, I think. I think this here is a wrong answer, and also the example answer is wrong. Oh, it's the first item. Oh, guys. What are you doing? Okay. Okay, that makes sense now. Okay, reading. So I can basically do a count if as criteria date or t date should be this and first should be this. Hashtag value, yes, was expected. First, then I need, yeah, because it's one longer date. Okay. 27. Okay, reading. What is the name of the third menu item in the given order? So XLOOKUP for this in here, returning more, guys. Returning it's I4. It's BB, and then another XLOOKUP for this item in here, returning the item name. Merge cells, MECC. Get rid of those merged cells. 2 burgers, yes, it's right. How many orders contain both item? Okay, consecutively. So we need to search in here for this. Sum minus minus search, find, and this in OTP, T OTP. Is number, of course. Yes, it's in between the boundaries, in between should be alright. So this is number search, give it to false value with minus minus, I make this a number, and with sum, I sum this up. Amount, we don't have the rebate as in the adult version. So amount is given here. Let's make this a table. I still don't like the merged cells. Control T. P for price. And then I do here a sum XLOOKUP for those items in the price table for the item code, returning the price. If not found is important. 0, 55. This will calculate quite some time, and now we have calculated this in the table. XLOOKUP for the order in here, returning the price. 30, 55. Within the hints should be alright. Control S. Now go to the bonus questions. What is the maximum number of orders placed in a single day? Okay, we can use here group by. I will show you this. Group by, my row fields are the dates. My values are also the dates that are, they don't matter. I can use here count, I think. And here sort order is -2. It's the same result as in the adult version. Row number 1, 2, Control X, get it in here. What is the total number of choose boxes ordered across the historical data? So choose box is given here. So I need a okay, I add here a separate column for choose boxes. JB equals len minus len substitute JB against not JP, JB against nothing, and this then divided by 2 against nothing, of course. 1 choose box, 0 choose boxes, 2 choose boxes, yes, should be alright. And this is then a sum of t. Is this column 1? Yeah, it's column 1. Sum t column 1. This could be an, oh no, it's right. Total quantity sold of the least popular item. So basically quantity by item. Okay. So we basically use this and this then for all different items. So I use here transpose p item code to get all the items, and then use this here F6 column fixed, and here row fixed to get the results, and now sum by column. And min 5 3 4 Okay. How many orders include 7 or more items? 3 to sodas count as 2. So basically where we have a value here. 7 or more or 7 or more, yes. Okay. So basically when we have here a value, I will not destroy this. Control S. So if this is unequal to nothing, which is true for here, which is false, okay, this is alright, minus minus. And yeah, sum this up. How many orders? 7 or more. Sum of this. What is the maximum amount spent in a single order? It's max of our amount we've calculated. 135, and with this we should be fine. I will not double check. You could have done this a little bit more intelligent with the naming and so on, but please, MECC, get rid of merged cells. Center across selection, alright, but not merged cells, please, guys. So Control S, and let's upload it. Hi guys. And I don't think that we have here a timer showing us, or like an indication showing us how we did, but should be alright. At least not that much errors as last time if it's loading. Anyways, thank you for your attention. I hope to see you also in the Varsity level video. And why isn't this loading? Okay, yeah, successfully created. Oh, no indication of points. But anyways, thank you. See you next time. Bye.